The future of hair restoration beyond PRP and minoxidil. When someone loses hair, they just don't lose only hair, but they also lose their confidence, be it men or women. Until now, PRP, that is platelet rich plasma, and minoxidil has been the main workhorses in hair restoration. As we all know, PRP or the platelet rich plasma concentrates one's own platelets, which stores the growth factors that enable hair to be in the anagen phase or shift hair from the telogen to the anagen phase, which means from the resting phase to the growth phase. At the same time, the US FDA approved topical minoxidil was one of the workhorses that is used by everyone, 2%, 5%, or even some 10% to improve scalp vascularity. However, we were not satisfied with the result. We were looking for more. The next kid on the block was the exosomes. The exosomes actually are instructions to help the dormant cells to divide. They are carried by mRNAs. Either those instructions could be prepared from your own stem cells, which is called stromal vascular fraction, or it can be prepared by recombinant technology from other resources like plant, placenta, etc. Now, these stem cells are also available for microneedling and scalp application. In addition to this, there are lots of research going on to identify the best molecule for the best results in hair restoration. The new ones are PP405 stemoxidin, which is promising to activate the dominant peripapillary cells. Of course, AI is also coming into hair restoration and will be enabling to plan both donor and recipient area, plan the hairline, plan the distribution of grafts, and not only that, AI can also help in determining the graft survival. So lots of research is going on. I believe that the future of hair restoration industry is very, very promising. But it's going to be a combination or a multimodal therapy rather than a single modal therapy. So when it's multimodal, it's going to be a combination of drug, biologics, and tech. A combination of all of this definitely promises to both restore as well as maintain a very healthy hair. This is Dr. Jayanti Ravindran from Tamira Plastic Surgery. If you found this video content useful, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. If you have any further concerns regarding any aesthetic procedures, surgical, non-surgical, or any other aesthetic concern, leave your comment below and we will address them in the subsequent videos.